my dreams will come true. Hammock will be on. Did you find a way how to attach it?
More or less, yes. We'll see. Anyway, you're gonna test it.
That's not nice. Do a good job, huh?
Yeah. Don't worry.
So it's gonna be easy to take it off, right? Purple.
Voila. See.
Go first.
No, you go first. I'm not really sure about my notes. Not miss it. Huh? Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Yeah, I think it's dangerous gift. Thank you, my love.
Oh, you move.
Look how I'm moving.
Amazing.
I'm doing nothing. I just push it a little bit. Oh, that's very comfortable. Thank you very much.
No, I touch.
You can? You see? Well, it's my gift. Not bad, huh?
Oh.
Your size?
Perfect.
I'm in a butterfly garden. Jacques is not crazy about places like this, so he left me by myself and I'm enjoying this place. That's the food for butterflies. Actually, I like watermelons too. So that's the place where butterflies from all over the world are gathered, and in one place we can see the beauty of this part of the nature. This is breakfast time for butterflies. By the way, butterflies can get drunk too. What's happening is some drink nectar from flowers and some drink juices from fruits. And when fruits are fresh, they're fresh, but when they become older, they create alcohol inside. And when butterflies drink that, they become drunk. And they can lay on the floor sideways, or they can start flying in circles. That was funny to know that. I just figured out that butterflies live like 1 month, 2 months, the most. Some live like up to 9 months, but it's really long time for butterflies. And they're using only 40% of their wings when they fly, so edges can be beaten by lizards and other animals. Fruit.
So we are here in St. Thomas. We're gonna have 15-20 knots all the time. We decided to go directly to St. Martin. Previously we thought about to go to St. John, Tortola, to go here and go to St. Martin, but I think it's not a good idea. So now we decided to go straight it's gonna be 108 miles. So of course you can see here the wind, not too sure, the wind here, and here on blue it is a road. So if we motoring, we're gonna be face to wave and go very slowly. Gonna be about 4 knots average. It's about 24 hours. If we go sailing with the computer here, we have to follow this, the purple one. But we will be a lot faster. It's gonna be about 28 hours. But all of that is theoretic, because the wind direction is theoretic. It is not, perfectly accurate. Of course, often it is more wind, direction change. So we're gonna try to sail all we can, because like that we are not face to wave. It's more comfortable. Of course, no diesel, and about the same time.
We are still inside the harbor in St. Thomas, and we already set sails. And we are having mountains on the left and on the right, so they cut our wind, and we are moving like super slowly. But in a few minutes we're gonna catch the good wind and we are good to go. We tried sailing, but we are moving much slower than the grip says. So we started engine, we left the mainsail up, but in this case we're moving directly to St. Martin without zigzag technique. Sun is about to hide and it's getting colder. Soon we will start doing our shifts for 3 hours for the night. I'm happy to see the sunrise. All our night navigations were nothing comparing to this one. We barely were able to sleep. Inside it was impossible because of the noise, so we stayed outside, but even here it's been moving so much, plus waves, plus splashes. So Captain, what's happening with the weather? You said the passage will be okay, but it's not okay at all.
Now first I told you it's going to be very difficult because we are face to wind all the time. But on the grip they show 14 knots and we have about 22 to 24. So one more time it is 10 more knots than expected. And of course wavy, face to wave. We try at the beginning sailing. We have average speed about 3 knots, it's terrible. So we have to be very patient. And we have about 32 knots left, about 10 hours.
Here is our future plan for navigation. Probably you wonder why we skipped all BVIs. We have 3 reasons for that. First one is we have an appointment with Jacques' friend which has been scheduled many months before. Then we will have to do some work on the boat, and St. Martin is the best place to do this kind of job. And of course French food.
Yes.
French people need good food in order to breathe, right? And when everything is settled, fixed and done, we're gonna come back to BVIs, to US Virgin Islands and British Virgin Islands. We're gonna visit all islands we decide to visit, and we will share all this beauty with you. here is our plan. Would you like to add something else?
No? Perfect.
He doesn't want. He smells the French food already. When we're gonna arrive, we'll be too late to go to grocery stores. So sorry, you will have to eat leftovers in the fridge for tonight. But what about tomorrow? What do you want for dinner?
I don't know yet, but a good thing like saucisson.
That is easy.
Cheese, camembert.
Yeah, but that's not the dinner. What about the dinner?
I don't know yet. Good thing. Maybe, oh, they have a very, very nice shrimp. Very tasty shrimp.
Shrimp.
I don't know. We will see.
Okay. Thank you all our subscribers for your comments and suggestions. That helps us a lot. If you want to know more about our trip, simply subscribe to our channel. A special thank you to all our patrons. With your help, our way looks much clearer. If you want, you can also support us on patreon.com. See you in St. Martin next week.